Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to cancel your Canva subscription. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Canva website right here, canva.com, if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we need to go ahead and log into our account. So you need to go ahead and log into your account that you want to cancel the subscription for. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can see all the sections we can access, we can see all of our projects right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to cancel our subscription. The first thing we want to do guys is go right here into the upper right corner and click the settings button. After clicking on settings button guys, it's going to open up this new menu of all the settings that we can edit for our profile. So as you can see, here is our settings, and in the left side of the screen we can see all the setting options that we have. We can manage our account, login, security and so on. We want to scroll down until we find the billing and plans option right here. So guys, here is billing and plans. You want to go ahead and select billing and plans, and after opening up billing plans guys, it's going to open up this new page where, as you can see, we can see the current subscription we have for our theme. And as you can see, currently I'm using Canva free, but if you are using Canva Pro, as you can see here, is going to appear. There is also going to appear a button that says cancel next to it. So if you're using Canva Pro, there's going to be a cancel button that's going to enable you to confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. And after you do so guys, this will automatically cancel your subscription and you will no longer be subscribed to Canva. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.